Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to insert a SIM and an SD card to your OPPO Reno 15F. So, we got the SD card right here. We also got the SIM card. We can notice that the SIM card is definitely smaller. Now, what are we going to do first is we're going to grab a SIM tray or basically anything that can help us open it, but make sure that you do not damage it. Now, let's grab the phone like this and make sure to do that on this side of the phone, not the closer one to the charging port, because this is not it. This is the opener. And what are we going to do is we're going to go over and simply put it in. Now it is open, and what are we doing now is we're simply removing it. So now let me quickly place the phone aside. We got the SIM 1 right here. Now we need to follow how it looks like exactly, so it might take a while, but as you guys can see, we got it in first try. So this is how you guys can put your card. This is the shape. Now we're going to swap to the other side. Make sure to hold the SIM card back there, and we got the SD card. Now we got a tutorial right here on how to put it, so we're going to put it just like this. Let me quickly get it in. And as you guys can see, the SD card is in. It took me a couple of seconds to get it in there, but finally we got it. So now what are we doing is we want to make sure that we put it back like this. So this is the SIM 1 and we are putting it always upwards to our phone, just like this. Now we can easily close it up, and now we're gonna wait and see if the SIM card loads up. So the SIM card has finally loaded in. It is right here. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna check for the SIM card. So we need to go to the settings. Now scroll down until we see about device, and here we got the storage and the SD card. So of course it's not empty, but we see that it is finally recognized by our phone. So that's how you guys can easily enter the SIM and SD card. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.